What if you had to launch a product and you weren't allowed to hire a designer, a copywriter, or a marketing agency? All you could use was AI. Today, I'm going to try exactly that by launching a small, direct-to-consumer product using only one AI tool. No Figma, no Canva, no marketing team, just AI doing everything. Let's see if it actually works. Okay, so here's a little bit of context. I have a small Shopify-style product store. Nothing crazy, just simple DTC products. Things like a tote bag, a hoodie, cologne, a hat, coffee. Let's say I want to launch one of these properly, not just post once and hope someone finds it. I want product visuals, short-form video ads, social content, scheduled posts, a mini campaign, and I want to do it all in one afternoon. That's what we're going to be testing. All right, let's go ahead and just jump right into it. I'm gonna pick a product that I can sell and create a whole mini campaign for. So I'm gonna go with this men's cologne set. Fragrance brands live and die on branding. And if AI can make this look premium, that's super interesting. So I'm going to go to Zeely AI and I'm gonna pull this product in by clicking new product and pasting the link. Zeely will begin analyzing my link, and what's cool is it actually pulls the product name, the description, images, everything from the link without any manual input. This is already a really good sign because most small founders mess up here. So my first impression, this is actually smart. Instead of jumping straight into generate a random ad, it forces you to organize your product first. This is a small thing, but it'll make a big impact in the long run. Most AI tools skip structure. This one starts structured from the jump. You can also add or remove any details by editing the product as well. So now we're going to move on to the visuals. And this is where most small brands struggle. Stock photos look cheap, DIY shoots look amateur, and hiring photographers is super expensive. So what I'm gonna do is go into the AI image studio and click AI image add. What I like immediately is that there's a guidance panel. It's literally telling you what type of photo works best, composition suggestions, and style direction. This is subtle but important. Most founders don't know what good looks like. This reduces bad decisions and poor design. So we'll choose from one of the images for our cologne set and click continue. Now, this is interesting. There's a whole library of marketing references, and these don't look like amateur ads. They're structured like real campaigns. There's categories across products and services, clothing, technology, food and bev, and a bunch more. This is actually where the value is because small brands don't lack tools, they lack the taste and they lack reference. So this solves reference. Let's go ahead and pick one of these references in beauty and personal care category, and I'll use this Billy one. Okay, so now we're ready to generate our images. I can add an additional prompt if I like on top of my two image assets if I wanted something specific, or I can just proceed with the assets. This should work perfectly fine without an additional prompt. What's important to mention here is that most users don't know how to write effective prompts, and you may be looking at yourself and thinking, I don't know how to write a prompt to create a visual that looks like this. Don't worry. Those mistakes will happen when you try to do it by yourself. I've experienced it myself, but by pre-generating prompts that users can customize and improve, Zeely does 80% of the work for you. This makes the process much more accessible for people without the AI expertise. You can also choose between your AI model here if you have a preference. I'll choose Nano Banana and I'll let it run. And while it's generating, this is nice. I don't have to wait. I can work on something else and start creating new materials. That's a small UX detail that I appreciate. Also, you have the option here to upload your own reference image, so if you like a campaign from a competitor, you can add that here. All right, let's check this first result. This is actually better than what I see most small brands posting on social media or using in their marketing campaigns. The generation quality is solid, there's clean lighting, the composition works, the background and shadows look natural, but what's more important here, this is exactly what you need for a marketing creative. It catches attention, it communicates value clearly, and has selling logic built right in. For launching a campaign, this works. Here's something that I really like. It shows you the full prompt it generated. So even if you're bad at prompting, you can reverse engineer what worked. That's actually really smart product design on Zeely's part. Now let's animate this. We're gonna move into the video studio. You have a few options here. You have a Sora video ad, avatar video ad, text to speech, and image to video. Let's do image to video for this campaign. Again, we select the product, we choose our reference, and then we pick our model. If you noticed, I got back a static image first. This is really nice because if I don't like how it looks, I can regenerate the image before I waste credits animating it. So once you're happy with the creative, you animate that image into a video. And honestly, this step-by-step flow mirrors a core marketing principle: iteration. Good marketing is rarely one perfect idea. It's testing, it's refining, it's figuring out what actually works. A lot of people who aren't marketers don't realize that that's the entire process. You launch something, you see how it performs, tweak it, and try again. Zeely's actually structured around that idea. By generating the image first and letting you refine it before moving on to animation, it naturally pushes you through that testing loop. So if your image isn't right, just regenerate, adjust it, and then dial it in. Then once you've got a version that you're happy with, that's when you move on to animation. It's a smarter, more economical way to work, especially when you're experimenting with different ideas and you don't want to burn credits every time you make a small tweak. Okay, so now let's move forward with this image and we'll go ahead and animate it. I can tweak the prompt that Zeely gave me. I can change the AI model, the duration, and even add sound at this stage. But again, this is all optional. I'm going to go default first and let's see what happens. Okay, that's actually really solid. There's subtle camera movement, clean lighting. This feels like a short Instagram ad. If I saw this from a small brand, I wouldn't assume it was AI, which is the real test here. This looks super legit. If you're a new DTC founder, a dropshipper, a micro brand, or someone validating a product, this is more than enough to earn sales. All right, so everything that we've generated to this point is now in the Projects tab. You can download creatives and upload them to your website, your email campaigns, or your social media campaigns, iterate on your generations, and then compare versions. This is starting to feel less like an AI tool and more of an actual marketing system. Now let's test the final part. Can this actually launch a campaign? Inside of Zeely, you can run both organic and paid campaigns, which is very important because they both serve different purposes within marketing. Organic content is more about building your brand presence. You're connecting with your audience, you're showing them your personality, and you're staying visible online. Paid campaigns are more performance focused. So you're testing what converts, you're driving traffic, you're pushing sales. Both matter in real marketing strategy, but some brands start with organic to build awareness, and then others jump straight into paid if they have the budget and they want faster results. It's completely up to you, but for this video, I'm going to test launching an organic campaign. So I go to the Organic Campaigns tab, I click Start Posting, and then connect my Instagram. Then I select the creatives and choose the posting timeline. And Zeely automatically generates captions, a posting schedule, and post previews. This is super impressive because this removes the classic "I'll post later" excuse. Most founders don't fail because they lack ideas, they fail because they lack consistent execution. This basically forces the execution for you, so once the platform processes the campaign setup, I can preview exactly how the post will look on my feed and schedule everything without ever leaving the platform. There's also a calendar view, which is super helpful. Okay, so here is my honest take after testing Zeely AI. Could this replace a 50-person marketing department for a big brand? Obviously no, but for founders starting direct-to-consumer brands or small and medium-sized online businesses, yes, 100%. Whether you're trying to get off the ground or scaling your first success, with this product, you're getting an AI designer, an AI video creator, an AI campaign manager, and an AI social media manager all in one tool. In just about 10 minutes, we went from a product link to a full-blown social campaign. If you want to validate a product idea without the creative friction, Zeely is the tool to beat. If you want to test this out yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. Share your generations with us on X by tagging @MakerThrive and let us know how this helped your workflow. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the MakerThrive channel. We post new videos every week on AI tools, startups, and ways to improve your current workflow. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.